Los Aposentos house by Bernardo Bustamante Arquitectos in CANOA, Ecuador. The project is located on a raised plateau, approximately 10 meters above a beach surrounded by cliffs, forming a private cove. The access from the road is captivating, cutting through dry forests with centennial trees. The journey involves crossing the Río Muchacho, whose growth during rains complicates accessibility, leading to the decision to construct the building over the 6 months of the dry season. The climate is tropical, with heavy rainfall for several months, and high temperatures and humidity. Northern Manabí, possibly the most seismic-prone area in Ecuador, has witnessed devastating earthquakes that destroyed entire communities. In the 2016 earthquake, the town of CANOA suffered severe consequences. The rainy season brings elevated levels of precipitation, causing floods and landslides. El Niño phenomenon occasionally appears, further intensifying rainfall. Motivated by these challenging conditions, a responsible architecture that can endure was sought, exploring local architecture. A taxonomy of ancestral principles was created, leading to design strategies. 1. Elevating the main floor to prevent floods and landslides, and protect against animals. 2. Opting for a reinforced concrete structure, an orderly and robust system that takes center stage in the design. The roof is supported by elevated wooden trusses to lower the center of gravity. 3. Designing a large roof with oversized eaves to cover a greater surface from rain and sunday. 4. Using low-maintenance materials resistant to humidity. 5. Creating tall spaces and opening the house on multiple fronts for cross-ventilation. Based on the principles learned from vernacular architecture, an elevated concrete structure on piles was implemented. The ground floor serves as a service and storage area, using burnt brick masonry to resist humidity and salinity. The roof is a lightweight fiber cement structure. It is a simple volume, a bar that breaks at the division between public and private, marking the entrances at this articulation. This twist allows all living spaces to benefit from views of the beach and the refreshing sea breeze. The program is for a vacation home with 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and an open social area. The kitchen, dining, and living room share a space connected to a spacious terrace overlooking the sea and mountains. On the ground floor, there are parking spaces and services. The house has 2 entrances, one directly from the parking area and another through a ramp following the natural slope of the terrain.